Follow and subscribe Stenolab India for correct pronunciation, accurate speed and clear voice. Pitman Shorthand Instructor Book Dictation. Exercise number 75. Get ready for the dictation. Start. A life of leisure is a life of pleasure. Needless to say, this is a fallacy, but false as it is. It is fairly widely spread. Many foolish fellows bewail their lack of means to choose either to loll or to labor, just as they like. They look jealously on those who appear to have nothing else to do but eat and drink and enjoy a merry life. When the poor man toils ceaselessly for food and lodging for himself and family, but in simple truth there is no more awful life than the lazy, useless life of the idle man, and it is also true to say there are exceedingly few rich men nowadays liable to the charge of laziness, because they know the busy life is the happy one. Happiness is an elusive thing, and more rich men than poor fail to grasp it. Stop. Thank you.